Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, this is the part 2 of showing me and Jamie's house, but Jamie's not here right now. So yeah, so there's the swing for me and Jamie, and then this is where we go when we both are doing something for both. Okay. And then there's this walkway and to another swing for Jimmy. And then there's like this like ladder thing. And then slide hit the pillow so we don't get hurt. And then you see that is a J and a M. But okay, let me set and then time to go upper and then more upper. This is where we're gonna make a beach. This is like gonna be the pool. I mean the sea or this is gonna be the sand. I don't know. My friend, aka Jamie, which you should subscribe to her. She gave me this idea because we didn't know what to do with this. So I'm gonna make a video like later when my tablet is like 43%. And then I'm gonna show you the rest of how to making this beach later. There's this glass and did I already show you this? Oh yeah, I think I did. Okay, and then there's this kid diving board for just little kids. Did I show you guys this slide in the Yeah, I think you did. I think I did. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the ping pong table. This is a pretend stick and then boo 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 boo. Oh wait. Not doing anything. Definitely. Okay, this is where Jamie bees and this is where I be. There's these like balls to try to shoot in the hole. Use this and then we pretend like that. And then that's it. Wait, did I show you that there was these stairs? Eh. So I think that's it guys. So bye, subscribe to my YouTube channel aka Princess Pink XXX, and then you should subscribe to Jamie's channel, Ariel 759. I think that's her name. Okay, so bye guys, bye. Subscribe and like for more videos. Okay, bye.